Ni mushomani ulio kurehete hamwe nyitite thuguri-ini ya shares ya NSC. President William Ruto na munini wake Rigathi Gachagua makihubariri igongona riri. Ndumiriri-ini yake Mutongoria wa bururi niendekithirie kugarurwo gwa kambuni imwe cia thirikari ituike kambuni kiumbe, akirongoreria gatagati ga kambuni 5 nginya 10 kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe ukite.
To see my brother, the incoming Minister for Trade and Investments, Trade and Industry, so that we can actually creatively think of how to engage our people.
Presence of His Excellency the President this morning here underscores our serious commitment to partner with you for the economic transformation of this great republic.
It is my hope and desire that the private sector will reciprocate the government efforts to accelerate privatization and develop our capital markets by offering more privately owned enterprises for listing at the Nairobi Securities Exchange as part of their contribution.
Watho kunainie na kambuni kiumbe witikiritie tu kamiti ya kuramata kambuni kiumbe ukinyaniria tafarira o yothe kunainie na kambuni ici. Watho uria Ruto endekithitie ucenjio niguo kuhotithia kambuni rungu rwa thirikari guthondeka mbeca na njira huthu.
My administration has set out its commitment to promote the public-private partnership framework as yet another preferred mode of development financing, which we intend to rely on in mobilizing necessary funding for investment in diverse sectors, including roads, housing, water, energy, ICT, and agriculture.
Hamwe no guo Ruto no wahinyiririe ruhonge ruru ruhuthiria a Kenya gikiro gia thi mitaratara ya kuingira na kuigithia thuguri-ini ya shares niguo kwiguna kimuturire.
The small people are not doing well. You know, they are getting 2%, 1% for the money they save in our banks. I think it's only fair that we begin the journey to even our returns. Bottom up is about not leaving anyone behind. Let's move together. It's the best way to grow the economy.
Ministry ya Thayati ni mwe ya ministry jeru gatagati kairia President Ruto werega kwanirira thirikari-ini yake. Murugamirire munene fegi-ini ya Cooperative Gideon Muriuki akiuga ino ni ministry mwe kuhotithia ukinyaniria wa kiginda kia Hustler.
We are all set for the key challenges you have set for us to further deepen this sector, Your Excellency. The SACCOS structure, Your Excellency, meets the requirements of successfully handling the Hustler Fund in terms of financial access, in terms of traceability, Your Excellency, in terms of inclusivity, in terms of affordability and overall sustainability of the fund.
Amwe atongoria aria angi mauma gikaro-ini giki ni hamwe na Minister Mwamure wa Wonjoria Moses Kuria, Governor wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja gatagati kage.
During the COVID-19 crisis, when conventional wisdom was that we don't distribute dividends and there was a word we don't distribute dividend, CoBank actually approached our regulator, Central Bank of Kenya, and the Deputy Governor is here, and we told Central Bank, CoBank was created for a time like this. If there is a global crisis, if there is a financial crisis and a COVID-19, the retro will make us CoBank, we should share with the millions of Kenya out there.
Ngirifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washige.